What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Top Market Trading here, and today let's talk some NIO. As we see here, NIO has seen some incredible movements in the past 2 weeks, and I'm going to give you guys a NIO analysis and update on where I think this company is heading into 2021. So guys, if we take a look at NIO's charts, we can see that in late December, they've actually been uptrending pretty well up until about this January 6th date, where they dropped about $5 to close around the $50 range. Now, if you guys remember on January 6th, there was some stuff that happened in the US that mainly brought the whole stock market down in general. But as you can see here, after that date, it really picked up and managed to uptrend all the way until the January 11th date, which happened to be the day after the NIO Day weekend. On Monday, January 11th, we could see that when NIO opened up, the share prices actually shot up to around $67 before finally closing the day out around $62.59. Now, this run-up was mainly due to the fact that NIO really did outperform on NIO Day, talking about their batteries and their new sedan, and all of that happened to catch eye of the market, and that's why the share prices shot up to $67. So after the jump in share price on Monday, you can see that NIO finally came down to hit the support line of around $60.95. And once they hit that, they actually bounced right back up to around the $63.98 resistance line. And as you can see they've actually been trading in this consolidation for the past couple of days before finally on Friday, where they actually broke the support line, and they've actually been trading right around that area until the close on Friday. So heading into Tuesday, we know that it's going to be a short trading week, and I can expect one of two things with NIO. So in the bear case, we can expect that NIO will break past the support line and hopefully catch around this $58.29 area and trade in this range of consolidation right here. Or in the bull case, we can see that it opens up in the 61.51 area and hopefully go and retest that $64 resistance line. Now guys, the last time NIO consolidated like this, we can see that it consolidated for about a couple of days, had a slight pullback, and after that pullback, it slingshotted right up to make new highs. Now what I'm hoping with this level of consolidation, as we can see here, it's already consolidating for the past couple of days. It broke past that support line a little bit, but hopefully if it can break past the support line, it can slingshot right back up to make new highs like it did in the last round of consolidation. Now, one thing to keep in note, guys, is that out of 12 analyst ratings, you can see that 7 were a buy and 5 were a hold. And as you can see here, they have a 12-month forecast of this stock hitting a high of $75, which I think NIO can do easily into 2021, and they have a low of $30. Now, this low, in my opinion, is probably the worst case scenario if NIO just completely tanks out of nowhere, and this would be the lowest possible we could probably go, is probably $30 a share. But if we look at the analyst upgrades, as you can see here, JP Morgan Chase and Company, they actually did a price boost target to overweight, but their price target went from $50 to $75. Bank of America, as you can see here, they also did a boost price target with a rating of buy, and their share price raised from $59 to $70. Citigroup did do a downgrade from buy to neutral, but as you can see here, they still raised their price target from 46.40 to 68.30. So there are some rumors floating around about NIO buying a second factory, and I found an article on the subreddit that says that NIO is planning on bidding on a second factory somewhere in China in the economic development zone of Hefei. Now, we know heading into 2021 that this is going to be some big news due to the fact that on NIO Day, they came out with their new sedan, the ET7, and they also plan on releasing more vehicles in their lineup. So with more vehicles being released, they're definitely going to need a factory to produce all of those vehicles. Now, they only have one factory right now, and with the second factory, I can see their production line start to double heading into the future. NIO's first factory took them about a year and a half to build, but once it was done, it was producing around 10,000 vehicles a year. And with the second factory, we can easily see 20,000 vehicles produced each year, which will help supply the growing demand for NIO vehicles. So guys, heading into Tuesday, I hope we can see NIO open up a little bit in the positive above the 56.63 line and maybe even break this 57.40 line, as that will show that it's in a sign of reversal for the uptrend. But I did give you guys some bear and bull cases that you guys should watch out for due to the fact that the market's really volatile right now, so anything could happen. So that's why we charted out both ways just in case things do go south. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go down below, hit the thumbs up button, and also let me know down in the comments what you guys think about NIO heading into 2021. And like I said earlier, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But if you guys want to see more stock videos just like this, make sure you guys go down below, check out my channel. I make a bunch of videos every week about new hot stocks, and you guys should definitely check them out. So on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next one.